How's everybody doing? I just want to do a quick install on my hood damper that I bought. I believe I got it from eBay or either one of those Facebook page. Came from Malaysia, Jasma. Hood damper or bonnet damper. Quick installation tip. Alright, just remember this L-shaped bracket right here has to go on there from the outside. Alright, and it has this little sticker right here. Just make sure it's facing out. Other than that, it's quick and easy. Just remove that bolt, replace this bolt. That one right there can actually hold the whole hood up. I haven't installed the one on the right. Alright, but it's fairly easy. Goes in just like that. Place a bolt right there. And this goes on the outside just like so. Other than that, it's a pretty easy process to put on. So that's all I got.